What's up and good morning, guys? Welcome back to another video. I am super excited, super nervous. I don't really know what's gonna happen today, but today is our big truck meet that we're having. I'm kind of anticipating this is gonna be a lot bigger than I think a lot of us are really thinking it's gonna be. A lot of you guys are gonna show up, which is awesome. But there's like 3 different things going on. I know there's a barbecue competition kind of going on in the mix of our things. We've got another like a pre-runner group meeting up with us. It's gonna be chaotic. And something that I'm extremely excited about and I really wanna show you guys, and I should probably unlock my truck, is what's in this box. And if you guys have followed me on Instagram, you've already seen these, but let me pull one out for you. Oh, check that out, guys. I have long since dreamed of having some type of event where we could have work for our trophies. I didn't know what it was gonna be. I didn't know, what we were gonna do for it, but and thanks to the guys over at Flog Industries, yes, the same guys that made my front and rear bumpers for my truck. They stepped up last minute to get these trophies made for me, Rush delivered them to me, and I am eternally grateful to those guys for that. Check these things out. They turned out absolutely awesome. They're all aluminum, lightweight, and to be honest, I kind of want to keep one for myself. And the coolest part about today and those trophies and all that is it's a good day to give back to you guys, to throw an event where we can all come together, all of you guys that have supported the channel, giving me this platform. Like, this is a good conglomeration of all of us coming together. So I'm gonna apologize now to the guys that are in my immediate truck circle, but you guys aren't entered to win those trophies. Those trophies are for you guys, the viewers. Oh, hey, Chris, good morning, buddy.
What's up, bud?
Are you excited?
Super excited.
Dang, Chris, you couldn't wait till we got to the bathroom?
I've been holding this since last weekend. Oh.
Got an exclusive, guys. We got an exclusive here. Little Rhino, how you been, buddy?
What's up, Big Rhino?
You're drinking Bang like me too.
I'm trying to be 100% like you, except maybe the Flogs, because Flogs will not sell to me. You are not lying.
Nah, man. I told them don't sell you bumpers. They're not gonna sell you bumpers.
They blocked me on the phone. I can't even call there no more.
Well, you probably blew them up. I did. I hear you do that a lot.
I did. I blew them up, and they wouldn't call me no more. Oh yeah, look at the people looking at my truck.
What?
They're looking at the fastest truck here.
Oh, they're putting their trash over there. I don't know what's going on.
When we gonna race, Ryan? Hey, don't edit this out. When we gonna race?
Me?
Yeah, you.
My truck's slow.
Yeah. One more time. Your truck's what?
Hold on. Slow.
Okay, and then, hey, LML, this guy, I just beat an L5P. I beat his ass, dude.
No, he didn't. He wishes he did. He didn't want to line up on the freeway.
I tried to stop on the freeway, but you don't want to line up.
Sandlot, right? Look, you seen Sandlot?
Hey, you're killing me, Smalls. You're killing me right now, dude.
So we're gonna get Carlos one like this, but it says Little Rhino right on his back. You got a good guy for that?
Yeah, I know somebody.
You know how much is the? How much is the?
This one, fully built like this.
I'll be back. Yeah, I'm taking my new golf cart on a test drive. So what do you think, Wes? How's the turnout today?
Decent. He has a workforce ticket on the back, and he's a repo guy.
I like it. I like it.
He's out there working for it, but he's kind of like
Repo Roy. Yeah, Repo Roy.
representing.
What up, Repo Roy?
What up?
You're not coming to get our trucks, are you?
You can take his. He owes the bank a lot of money.
No, I made my payment.
What's up, Weezy? We talking business over here, buddy?
Yeah, bro. Talking business with the Flog buddies here.
So I had absolutely no idea. We got Nathan and Kevin, owners of Flog Bumpers. They actually drove all the way out here for this meet. Good to see you guys. Appreciate it again. I know we talked earlier, but this is for the camera. I appreciate it.
Came down.
That's a killer hat, dude. I love it.
America.
There you go.
Merc, what's up, buddy?
Weezy,
Hey,
you know, fastest truck here, except for Josh.
Yeah, Josh is fast.
Faster than Carlos. That's all we care about.
That's it.
Faster than Carlos.
We don't care about Carlos. That's second place. Carlos is second place, man. Quality over quantity.
Uh-oh, you got Team Carlos right here though, bro.
This guy's not Team Carlos. Remember, he rode in the bag truck. We talk about the boats all the time. He's just secretly Team Carlos to make Carlos feel better and sleep at night.
There you go. Look at that. Look at that. Since you guys made us the awesome trophies, I want you guys to be the judges today. You guys up for that? You guys up for that? You don't know. You're as non-biased as it gets here, other than any truck with Flog bumpers might have a little advantage.
Right.
But you guys are as non-biased here as it gets. Because you don't.
This is true.
Yeah, my truck's not in the running.
Mine is though.
You can choose Chris's truck if you want. You want to be the judge?
All right, we'll do it.
So right here I have an LS1. It's all custom built. This is a Gen 3, Gen 4 conversion.
Nice.
This motor actually came out of an 02 Silverado. I had it in the backyard. Boarded out to a 5.7. And everything internal on that, there's a huge list on it.
Nice.
It'd take up your whole video if I did the whole thing.
One thing we don't show a lot of on the channel is single cabs, and you guys may have seen this truck from one of the truck shows that we went to. I believe it was Cali Fest. It looked completely different. I've noticed some people talked about it. It was in my little compilation video, but we didn't actually get a chance to talk about it. The owner, Joseph, here.
Hello?
Joseph, tell us a little bit about your truck. Oh, we'll do it. I feel weird shaking left hand. Let's do right hand.
It's on a 7 to 9 McGowie's lift, suspension lift, and has a 3-inch body lift, and it's on 26 by 16 intros.
Woo.
With 37. Yeah, it used to be an old work truck.
Gotcha.
Yeah, it was work for the IED in Imperial Valley. And I have a powder-coated lollipop red, the suspension underneath, got traction bars,
Oh.
full Escalade interior.
We haven't hit a curb yet?
Nope, no curb. No curb
Are you
yet.
nervous?
Oh yeah.
You got to put some curb feelers out here. That way you never hit the
This long
curb.
big old rod.
Yeah, right? God, these things are huge, dude. Now you guys may be seeing Carlos and Wheezy. They're going back and back. Everybody, they want to race each other. Wheezy just got his truck deleted and tuned, and now like it's been a crazy, chaotic rivalry between the two. But nobody's trying to race this man right here. So we've got Josh here, or Dmax Josh on Instagram. He's got, I think none of us are going to even try and compete with how fast your truck is. Number one, it's fast, but it's also huge, which you don't see. A lot of people say you build this giant truck, but it's slow. This man right here, he's here to dispel that.
Yeah, it's got a lot of engine work to it.
What do we got done? Well, let's talk about the lift kit before we get to the engine work. What do we got?
All right, so right now we got a 10 to 12 inch FTS, basically all white powder coat suspension. Got the rear track bars. We got a little bit of airbag help with the Airlift 7000 series airbags in the rear.
Now, allegedly, he tows his fifth wheel with this.
I do tow my fifth wheel with this.
I don't believe it till I see it.
And I will show you.
All right.
I do tow a fifth wheel with this.
We've got a lot of color matching going on.
A lot of color matching.
Custom lights. Who built the lights?
Okay, so actually I got a couple companies that did it. So I got the third brake light here, Go Recon, got a color match by a local company over here in Bakersfield. Absolute Paint, they helped me out there. The 1500 Denali tail lights, they're color matched by Supreme Retros. They're out of Mesa, Arizona, and the headlights are from Legends Off-Road.
All right, so I'm not tall enough, but explain what we're looking at.
All right, I don't know, should we get a ladder? So basically what we got is a fully deleted LML Duramax. What we got in the Valley is a 63.5 millimeter Garrett turbo built by Danville. It's a stage 2 feeding an S475. This HSP compound setup is one of a kind. I'm the only one on the road that has it. They custom built it for this truck. And this thing rips, man. Got some, I'm not sure if you can see it back here, but some Illusion orange valve covers. Everything's Illusion orange with white bands. Got a Fleece CP3K 750 conversion kit, so we ripped out the CP4 because there's nothing but problems with it. Went with the CP3.
Right.
We got a stage 2 Inglewood transmission with the D-pan. Excuse this, I don't have a catch can for the PCV reroute. But we got a nice...
So unlike most people, you went the full route. Everything's built.
Yeah,
This thing's meant to be run.
Meant to be run. So right now, to the rear, it's got about 806 rear wheel horsepower and just under 1,600 foot-pounds of torque. But the guys at Performance Diesel and Hoosier Diesel really banged this out of the park, man. I would definitely put some money on it, say it's the fastest truck here.
Let's get some races lined
Hey,
up.
let's get some races lined up.
Yeah.
Whoever wants some, just hit me up. Dmax Josh.
I don't know. I got the results right here.
Got the results?
Yup. The boys just gave them to me. Hold on. You guys judge yourselves? Hold on. I just saw your judgment sticker on there. You judge yourself?
You know, I actually skipped right by this truck.
All right.
I really wanted a trophy.
Not only did you guys make my awesome bumpers for my truck for SEMA, this is your personal truck, which you're taking to SEMA this year, right?
Yes, that's the plan.
So what are we doing with this thing?
So the plan is we're gonna run American Force wheels, 26 inch, 14 wide. We're gonna run a 12 inch Cognito lift. It'll all be white and polished, so paint match white with either chrome dip or polish. The wheels are polished. The exciting thing is Nitto is just now releasing a new tire that we will be featuring on this truck.
That's awesome.
So that's really exciting. 26, 15, 5, 40 inch tires.
It's gonna be a whole new world from driving a stock height like this,
yes,
right?
It will.
Are you ready for that? You want to take
I
my
am.
first spin a little bit, get used to it, see what it's like?
Well, I do, but
Take it for a lap.
how often does Dmax hand you the keys to his truck? That's pretty cool.
But seriously, make sure you guys go check out Vlog Industries. They were a huge help on planning and getting everything I needed for today. I had no clue they were showing up, like I said earlier. Follow their SEMA build and check out their bumpers because, like I said, I never wanted aftermarket or off-road bumpers until I saw theirs. Once I saw the fit, the finish, the fact that they actually built it for the truck, not just some cookie cutter bumper, that's what sets them apart. So make sure you guys go check them out right there, Vlog Industries. So most shows like to make everybody wait till the end before they do trophies or anything like that. We're not gonna do that. No, we're not gonna do that. We're gonna do it right now. You wanna do it right now?
Let's do it right now. Let's do it right now. Let's do it right now.
So I want to thank everybody for coming out. Obviously, this is kind of like our first, it was kind of last minute. Carlos, can you hear me?
Yeah, there you go.
Carlos,
Hold it
Carlos.
there.
The amount of you guys that came out is absolutely awesome. We want to do another one. We want to do something even bigger, so stay tuned for that. Got to thank Vlog for even coming up with these last minute trophies as well. And they overnighted them here. So Vlog, thank you guys. And for driving out from Utah to come to this. We're going to do first, we're going to do best Ram. Eddie thinks this is him. I don't know if this is Eddie or not. I didn't do the judging, and I don't see too many Rams, but whoever number 35 is. Here you go. Nice. Let's do best GM. There's a lot of GMs here today.
Little Rhino. Little Rhino.
Carlos, you wish. Best GM goes to number 32. Oh, there you go, brother. Most important one, if you're in our world, right here. Best mall crawler. Lucky number 9. BJ, bro, what are you doing, dude?
I'm trying to see if I can float away.
What are you? Look at all that salt water going on that American Force wheel right here. This is not a freshwater lake, bro. This is salt water.
Hey, I got a towel. I can wash it off.
Wes over here being hype man.
Hey, somebody's got to do it. I'll pull you out. I'll pull you out.
I got chain.
I'll pull you out.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
So
Static strips.
static strips.
Static strips.
All right. So what exactly does that do?
So that's a gasoline generator welder. So when I go like to fill up with gas, at the gas station.
Right.
So that just alleviates all the static out of the truck. So from like getting out to putting the gas in, there's no static. I don't get out, get shocked, nothing like that.
Now, how often do those wear out?
I just put them on, and from Washington to down here, that's all that happened.
Yeah, can we mention you also drove all the way from Washington
Yeah.
for this meet? Well,
Just for you, buddy.
to hang out with Ryan, get some barbecue.
Brother from another mother right here.
So the next time we do one of these shows, don't use this as an excuse because I think you're the furthest one, right?
I think there was Florida, but he left.
You got your own company,
I do.
Cutting Edge Mobile Welding.
Yes, sir.
How'd you get that started?
Just out of love for welding. I started a few years in the oil fields and, worked a few jobs here and there and decided, I'm gonna do something with my future. And I went to school, got certified, and this is where we're at now.
So how long have you been in business?
2 years.
Clearly things are working. You got a nice truck.
Yeah, we're
Nice
getting there.
rig.
Hopefully getting a flatbed soon.
One of the cool things about today was also, we had a lot of barbecue going on, and Fern has been wanting to do something with us for a long time from what I hear from Duramax Barbecue. Fern brought out his super sweet custom trailer that he built.
Hey everyone, my name is Fernando with Fern Semi Famous Barbecue, rated top 15 in San Diego. I built a solar powered barbecue trailer. I barbecue professionally. I love to compete and love to feed the masses. Let me give you guys a tour of my kitchen, my dojo. Welcome to my facility.
There you go.
So I got two 100-watt solar powers paneled, 4 6-volt batteries hooked up in series, so I'm on 12 volts. And then I have a pellet smoker Traeger. It converts from a smoker to a warmer. I've got a 1,000-watt sound system powered by Kenwood. I've got a fully loaded water heater. Got a sink right here to wash the hands for the kids, the ladies.
Easy. And the rhinos. I'm all about food safety and being clean.
Oh yeah. So you know how food health comfort is. See, I built this working as a legal field, driving a forklift, and in my garage. And I'm blessed to be with hardworking individuals that are like-minded, and I really do appreciate you guys who follow me.
So make sure you check them out. What is it on Instagram?
FernsBBQ.com. On my everything's Ferns BBQ.
Hey bro, I think we need a bigger truck. Bringing all this barbecue gear out. Long bed. Say I'm super stoked with the turnout, considering like this was kind of last minute promoted, last minute planned. Oh, somebody just fell over there. I want to thank everybody that came out today. I want to thank Flog especially for sponsoring the trophies and then bringing out a bunch of swag and just, like I said, surprising me. I didn't even know they were coming. Thank you to all the guys that were barbecuing, Fern, Dmax BBQ, Black Dahlia. You guys are absolutely awesome, and everybody that came out. We hope in the future to be able to do more events like this and even bigger and on a bigger scale. So stay tuned for any future announcements on big events. This was a blast. I love putting this thing on, so hopefully more to come soon. With that, guys, we're going to wrap up this video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not subscribed already, please click the subscribe button now that we do not miss out on any future content. Don't forget to give this video a like, aka a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out workforapparel.com, because if there's anything you want in this life, you got to be willing to work for it. You guys are the best. I'm out. BJ, say it.
What?
Say it.
Roll the outro.
There you go.
See, I did it right that time.
Damn. Yeah.